Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The probability for the students from a certain grade 10 class to pass the exam in maths is 4 by 9 and for the subject English it's 7 by 9. If none of the students fail both subjects and there are 4 students that passed both subjects, how many students passed in English subject? Now let us assume X students took exam. So that means as given 4 students pass both subjects. So probability of passing both subjects can be given by 4 by x. Let us call this equation 1 and solve the given situation. Now probability of a student passing in mathematics is 4 by 9. That means that if there were total 9 students, that means that 4 of them will pass math. Right? Now this means that 9 minus 4 equal to 5 will fail math. And similarly, probability of passing English is 7. So if there were 9 students total, 7 will pass English. That means 9 minus 7 equal to 2 will fail English. Now since it's given that none of the students fail both exams, that means that 5 who have failed math will definitely pass English and 2 who have failed English, they will definitely pass math. From these two diagrams we can say that out of 9, 5 plus 2 equal to 7 will pass single exam. So that means that if there were 9 students, 7 pass single exam. That means that 9 minus 7 equal to 2 will pass both exams. This means that we can express probability of students who pass both exams. We can express this probability as 2 by 9. Now, at the start of the solution, we had found out that probability of passing both subjects in actual numbers is calculated as 4 by x. So we can simply equate these two equations. Equating 1 and 2, what do we get? 4 by x equal to 2 by 9. That gives us x equal to 9 into 4 by 2, which gives us x as 80. So what is x? Total number of students is x. Now we are asked what is the number of students who passed English subject. So probability of passing English subject is 7 by 9. So what we can do? Number of students who pass English is given by probability of students who pass English multiplied by total number of students. So that is equal to 14 students pass English subject. So let's see what are the options. Answer is option C, 14.